Hi, I'm Craig, and welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we will be taking a look at this Whirlpool electric freestanding oven. We will show you how to remove, test, and replace your warming element. To begin this repair, we must first remove the cooktop. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. The tools you will need to complete this repair is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a tack puller, and a voltmeter. To remove your cooktop, first we will open the door. There are 2 Phillips screws underneath each corner that will need to be removed. Set those aside, lift up on the front of your cooktop and start to slide forward, lift up, and set it aside. Now that we have the cooktop removed, we have clear access to our warming zone element. The main reasons why you'd be replacing a heating element would be if the unit will not heat at all, or you could see that the element is broken. Now the first thing I would do before you remove it is do a good visual inspection on it. See if you see any burn marks, if you see any breaks or anything. This is very hard to visually inspect because the coils are so small. Now, to remove your element, there are 2 clips, one on each side, that will have to be pressed out and lift up. Do the same on the other side and flip your element over. Now, the first thing I would do is remove the terminals from the element itself. So you do have a thermostat, and then you have a white and gray that go to the element portion. Now with those removed, we will test for continuity. Now, because this is a warming element, the ohm rating will be extremely high. This is reading 132 ohms. That's testing out good. If for some reason you had no continuity through here, that would indicate that you do have a bad warming zone. The next thing you can do is remove the terminals from the thermostat portion. Test and make sure we do not have an ohm rating on your thermostat. So that is testing out good. Remove your warming element and set it aside. When installing your new warming element, first we will reinstall the terminals for your thermostat. Next, reinstall the terminals for the element itself. Turn it over. Your terminals should be on the back side of the element. Slide it back in and lock it into the frame. Now we can reinstall the cooktop. To install your cooktop, be very careful. First, slide it into place. Keep it lifted up. Drop it down. And slide it into the correct position. It should be all the way down on the sides. Next, there are 2 screws underneath that will need to be reinstalled. You may have to move your cooktop around a little bit just to line it up. Install your first screw, reinstall your second screw, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.